Engine misfiring, stumbling, shaking, or throwing a code like P0301, before you throw your money away at parts, let's break down the real difference between a bad coil and a clogged injector. A coil controls spark. If the coil's dead, that cylinder is totally offline. You'll feel it immediately, especially at idle. It's rough, shaking, and consistent. It usually triggers a code like P0302, a cylinder 2 misfire. And if it's totally dead, that cylinder isn't firing at all. Injectors control fuel. If one's clogged or dirty, that cylinder might still fire, but it'll run lean, stumble under load, or misfire intermittently. Fuel trims might spike, power feels soft, you might get a misfire code, but it might jump around or show up only under throttle. Now how to tell the difference? Pop the coil off and swap it with another cylinder. If the misfire follows, boom, bad coil. If the misfire stays with the same cylinder, you're probably looking at a fuel issue. Want to go deeper? Long-term fuel trim is high, that injector is probably weak. Engine stumbles harder under load, also points to fuel. A rough idle and a misfire code out the gate, likely ignition. Look, parts aren't cheap. Diagnosing smart can save you hundreds.